Hey guys, it's Anarchy. Today's video is going to be a little different. Right now I'm filming on my phone, which feels super weird, even though it looks okay. I hope it looks okay when I upload this video. So I have been stressed out beyond belief lately. I've had a lot of personal issues. Like, my 2019 so far has been a mess. A lot of good things have happened, but a lot of bad things have happened that keep piling up. And it was really getting to me, and I just felt bad. Like, I really just needed a break. So, for no reason in particular, I have no idea why I did this. I decided I wanted to relax, and I started looking on Amazon at dresses, like big poofy dresses, and I decided I want a big poofy black dress. Like, that would make me feel better. And I got one, I ordered one, and while I was waiting for it to come, I decided, you know what, I want to make a whole thing of this. I'm going to take pictures, I'm going to feel pretty, and I'm going to have, like, a good day for, like, once. Like, I'm going to make myself have a good day. So I thought, what do I like? I like taking pictures, I like being extra, so today I'm going to show you how to be a princess on a budget. So I just checked in to this hotel. It's the Langham Hotel in Pasadena. It's not too far from my house. I wanted to stay in a hotel that looked like a castle, and this one really looks like a castle. Like, this place is insane. The room itself is a little bit plain. It's not like the fanciest. It's really pretty, but it's not like amazing, but it really does look like something you'd see in a castle. So I'm really happy about that. So I've just checked in. I'm going to do a whole photo shoot by myself in this room. I brought my camera. I'm gonna set it up in a second. And I'm going to just enjoy myself and take pictures and feel pretty, and also order room service. That's something I'm gonna do, I think, before I start taking pictures. So let's check out room service. So here's the thing about room service. It's always expensive. So I'm at a 5-star hotel, so of course it's gonna be expensive. But not only is it like super expensive, it's like you also get charged a 20% service charge, taxes, and then a delivery fee of $6. So it's basically like Postmating, actually. It's not actually that bad. So basically I have to increase everything by 20% and then decide what I want. I think I might just get truffle fries because those sound good. Like, this is my dinner. I haven't eaten dinner. Hi, can I order some room service, please? Can I get the truffle fries? And do you guys have hot chocolate? Can I have hot chocolate? Sorry, that was room service. Which cost me $30, by the way, for fries and a drink. It was hot chocolate, but still. Okay, so I have this big bag of stuff. Like I was trying to say, a rare day is a great day of networking and just greatness, run by the Rare Foundation, which is just a super cool thing. You should follow them, check them out. Ashley, thank you so much for all this stuff. I cannot wait to check it out. Okay, let's see. It looks like these masks from the Facetory. Oh yeah, it's a bunch of masks. It's a Moon Velvet cream mask for night, which I'll probably use tonight, honestly. This pearl mask. A blank cell mask. A pink peel. Fresh Forward. A snail mask. And a foil brightening mask. These all sound great. So that's awesome. Then we have this dewy hydrating 5 sheet masks from Hydrolock. We have this body wash I'm not gonna open right now. Got, ooh, acne healing patch. I've been wanting to try these. They're from Rail. I've been wanting to try these. I've seen these advertised on Instagram and I've been wanting to try them. Then we have this FabFitFun box. Oh, it's just a little jewelry box. That's great. I'm gonna put all the jewelry I brought today in it because I didn't store it properly. So it's just a cool little portable jewelry box. Then we have this Cocoa Bomb cream, body cream, which is great. More body lotion from that same company. Ooh, lashes. Oh yay, a bunch of lashes from House of Lashes. Melting lip powder. What? A powder to liquid lip tint. I cannot wait to try this out. Sugar Bear. Acne Pimple Master Patch. Smashbox Camera Ready Brush. But it's a Lime Crime Plushies palette. Melted Matte Too Faced Metallic thing in the shade I Dare You. Lube. This is lube from that same company. I got body lotion, I got body wash, and lube. Any of this. This is so much. I thought this was gonna be a quick unboxing. That's why I'm not like actually unboxing anything, because there's so much. Okay, so all of that's been unboxed. So it's been a long day and I'm at this nice hotel, so I'm going to go eat my room service and go to sleep. Ooh. This is the room service. I'm gonna move it so you guys can see. I have hot chocolate and French fries. I'm happy. Okay, so this is the dress. It actually came out a lot better than I expected. I paid $100 for this on Amazon, which is actually a steal because like that's what I would pay for Dolls at Dolls Kill for like a normal dress. So I got a whole ball gown for $100. It looks really good, but don't worry about that. It looks really good. A bunch of you were asking about it because it was only $100 and you were curious if it was actually going to turn out great. It is really great. Even the pictures on Amazon of customer reviews looked worse than this dress actually did, so I'm super happy about it. So now I'm going to go and take some pictures. Downstairs there's a beautiful courtyard that I really want to take some pictures in, and the whole hotel looks like a castle, so if I get that in the background it'll look really nice. And I'm just really hyped about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to show some of the pictures in a second, but that's basically the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. I know this video is a little different and weird, but I just wanted to share my little relaxation, de-stress, I'm just going to be an extra princess for a weekend video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.